Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about defense wounds. Defense wounds are wounds caused due to immediate and instinctive reaction of victim to save himself. They usually occur when the victim raises his arm to prevent attack or when he grasps a weapon. This picture shows defense wounds on the arm of a victim. Now let us see about some key points regarding defense wounds. In case of blunt weapon, there will be bruises and abrasions on extensor or ulnar surfaces of forearm or back of hands and fingers. In case of sharp weapon, there will be cuts on hands, wrists, fingers and forearms. When a single-edged weapon is grasped, there will be a single cut on palm or fingers. When a double-edged weapon is grasped, there will be multiple cuts on fingers and palm. The cuts in case of defense wounds are irregular and ragged. They will be irregular in depth and distribution. Defense wound can be rarely found on shins and feet. They occur when the victim was lying on ground and when he tries to kick at the assailant or tries to cover his vital areas with his legs. Now let us see about the medico-legal importance of defense wounds. Defense wounds indicate homicide. Defense wounds will be absent if the victim is unconscious or taken by surprise or attacked from back or when the victim is under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.